I made around $560 in this month just by uploading AI glass fruit cutting videos. First of all, check this video. This glass fruit cutting video was created entirely by AI in just 10 seconds using a single prompt and one AI tool. Sounds crazy, right? The best part? Videos like this are going viral, getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars, all from a single clip. Yes, this is what I call a dollar printing niche right now. I am already running 2 channels on this niche. If you want to make money, then to be honest, this is the best time to start this content on social media. Now imagine creating these kinds of videos yourself and actually earning from them. These mesmerizing ASMR-style visuals are trending right now. Millions of views every week on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. The best part? You don't need a camera, a studio, or editing experience. All you need is the right prompt formula. And that's exactly what I'll teach you inside my premium glass fruit cutting AI course. When I started, I struggled for weeks. I couldn't get realistic lighting, liquid flow, or texture right. But after testing hundreds of prompt variations, I finally cracked the method that gives ultra-realistic cinematic results every time. Now I've packed everything into one short, easy-to-follow course, no guesswork, no confusion. Inside the course, you'll get my secret prompt. Explained word by word, you'll learn how to replace any fruit, tweak reflections, fix lighting, and make your AI output go viral. Plus, a bonus section on how to turn your renders into short viral ASMR clips. It's simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. You can start today. If you want to make these AI videos and earn money online, I have uploaded my own detailed premium course, including secret unique prompts and tutorials in the description. Click the link in the description, join the glass fruit cutting AI course, and let's make your first viral AI channel today. Good luck.